dupe of the Dior eyelashes look great. Do you see the glow? Not buy this. I wasted my money. I don't see the hype. Internet influenced me to buy these many makeup products. Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi Singhania and today I'm gonna tell you my very honest reviews on these very viral makeup products. Some of these are like very viral, but all of these products are something that I just did not blind buy it on my own. I actually saw a lot of reviews and I got influenced and then purchased it. So watch this video to know what you should buy and what you should definitely not, because मेरे तो पैसे लग ही चुके हैं, but I think I can save some of your money. So yeah, let's get started. I have just done my skincare and I've been keeping my skincare very minimal these days. Just 2 steps literally, because my skin has been acting up a lot due to multiple reasons, and the frame is quite zoomed in today because I want you to see the makeup when I am applying it so that you can decide whether you want it or not. So the very first product is this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, which I got almost 10 months back. इसलिए मैं आपको बहुत अच्छे से रिव्यू दे सकती हूँ whether this works or not, and it has this big fat wand, makes it very easy for us to apply. I'm gonna like cover a little bit of my dark circles. I got the shade 317 Almond and it has a little bit of peach undertone which also helps in color correcting, and you can see the difference. It is very thick and it does not make your face look patchy at all. Let's do our second eye. You can see how beautifully it has covered my dark circles and even some of the spots. मैंने बहुत थोड़ा सा conceal किया है and I've left a lot of it here because I want to also show you another product which is next in line. But yeah, overall amazing concealer if you want something very full coverage, yet also it should not be drying out your skin, because who likes that? Then get this. It comes very close to the Too Faced concealer, which is like triple the price of this. So amazing purchase. I love it. I think it's one of the best drugstore concealer out there, and I have heard a lot of people rave about it, and it's definitely worth the hype. Next is something that I absolutely love and is my favorite, and I keep on telling about this product to every single one through the internet or in person, and it is the Smashbox Halo Tint. I absolutely love this. I am in the shade light medium, which everybody tells is darker for me, because जब भी मैं स्टोर पे जाती हूँ तो वो मुझे light neutral suggest करते हैं. So I'm yet to try the light neutral shade, but I've been using this. It's been almost I think 2.5 या 3 years हो चुके हैं. Might also be expired. I'm not sure because इस पे लिखा नहीं है, but I just hope it is not. And इसमें बहुत बचा हुआ है because मैं बहुत ही थोड़ा सा यूज़ करती हूँ इसे. This also has SPF 25 and I know सबने ही इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में सुना होगा. And guys, even before applying this, I want to tell you that if you have the budget, get this. ये थोड़ा expensive है, and you know what? I know that the shade is a little dark for me, so I was thinking of mixing the white foundation, which I usually do, to make the shade a little lighter. But today I'll just apply it like this and show it to you, because मुझे जो exact product जैसे काम करता है, I want to show you that. It is amazing. It is a skin tint. It's not a foundation. It is exactly the kind of makeup that I love, where my skin can look like skin. I don't care if it does not cover a lot of my acne marks or something, because it's totally fine by me. But I don't want that heavy cakey looking foundation like the ones with Too Faced, like the Huda Beauty, which is like very full coverage. I don't like such foundation. Do you see the glow it gives? It is so good, and you can see बहुत ज़्यादा acne marks cover नहीं हुए. It still does cover a little bit of it because it is medium coverage, you can say, but मैंने बहुत कम लगाया था इसीलिए. This is something that you can use every single day, and it is so good. It does not feel like you're wearing anything. It actually says it's a tinted moisturizer, so skin tint भी नहीं, मतलब it's literally a moisturizer, but yeah, like what is moisturizer with a tint? It is skin tint. So yeah, this is how it looks, and literally I have worn this in a lot of events as well. I just like to put a lot of concealer and then use this so that वो skin पे थोड़ी glow from within वाली look आए, and I love it. You should definitely get this. If you don't want to splurge a lot, then House of Makeup also has skin tint which is very similar, and you can try using that. I'm just giving you a closer look to my skin so that you can know the finish of this. There is zero filter, shooting in natural light literally. Next, I have this very viral blush from Maybelline. It was launched I think this year itself, and everybody on the internet was raving about it. And guess what? I did place an order for not one but two, and I want to tell you, so I have it in two shades. One is Downtown Rush, another is Midnight Shimmer, and this is how it looks. I will first use the Downtown Rush. It comes with this wand. The packaging is good, the application is good. Basically Maybelline का जो gloss, lifted gloss packaging है, they've used the same. This is the shade, okay? You see, I've applied a lot of this. Just look at it. So you see, इतना ज़्यादा अप्लाई करने के बाद भी this is the kind of pigment that you get. And no, it is not like कि कैमरे में नहीं दिख रहा है. This is what I can see in real as well. मतलब there is a flush of color, and I would not call this a blush. It is more of a bronzy blush type of effect, जहाँ पे आप इसको कितना भी लगा लोगे ये इतना ही pigment देगा. So in general, I anyway do not like blushes which are like very much pigmented because I find it very hard to work with them. But इसमें तो बिल्कुल ही ना के बराबर pigment है, which is still okay. Which is still okay. Okay, let me do a second coat. Again, I am applying उतना ही amount जितना मैंने पहले apply किया था, and just wait and watch. You see, ये बहुत ही थोड़ा सा build हुआ है. It's better than before, but this is the highest that you will get. Now I'm using the shade Midnight Shimmer. This is definitely not a blush. It's more like a shimmery topper. I feel it looks thoda patchy, and I do not like this, and I would say everyone to just not purchase this. Now I know कि इन्होंने अभी recently pigmented blushes launch किए हैं, like more in colors, pink, red. They are good, and they said that that is for medium skin tone, right? This was supposed to be meant for like fair skin tone people, but I don't see, like I am light to medium, and I kind of feel that I have wasted my money on this. So I would definitely recommend you to not buy this. मैंने तो खरीद ही लिया है, तो I will anyway finish this up. But you know, Downtown Rush is still something that you can buy if you want like such natural flush of color. And Midnight Shimmer, there is absolutely no point of buying this one. So I've applied it on both the sides now, and if you want like such color, and if you're a person की तुम्हें बहुत सारा blush लगाना है, but also you don't want to end up looking like a clown because you know you're used to using like a lot of it, then maybe get the Downtown Rush. But I still feel you can buy better blushes for the same price, like the PAC Spotlight brushes. I have one of them and it is amazing. It even gives that dewy finish for almost the same price. So that's my verdict for this blush. Next, I have the cult favorite Becca highlighter. Yes, I heard internet raving about it and I got this. So Becca की जो champagne pop highlighter है is very famous, and I think it was discontinued, but Smashbox and Becca, they came up with this collaboration in the same shade. This is how it looks like. I feel it is very travel friendly, and I am not really a highlighter person, so I will first swatch this. This is how it looks. I don't know why I do not get the hype of this highlighter, and I kind of feel that I wasted my money because it is very expensive. I don't see the hype. ठीक है, it gives a nice highlight, but also I kind of feel that it looks maybe a little chalky, like not a lot but a little chalky. And anyway, I'm not a fan of highlighter. I realized after buying this, I like cream highlighters now, and what I do is I just take this and apply it on my eyelids thoda sa. This is what I carry when I'm traveling and I don't want to, like, you know, travel with a lot of products, and if there's like a small something, so I'll usually apply this. It does look like this. It has like very small glitter particles. Do not get. I don't think. I don't understand the hype of it, honestly. And it also comes with this brush, which I don't know why. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इससे ठीक से अप्लाई नहीं होता है. So see, you anyway have to use your fingers. So I may be wrong, I'm not a makeup artist, but yeah, this is my opinion. Next is something that everybody knows. It is this Huda Beauty palette, and I know इनके सारे ही palettes बहुत ज़्यादा famous है, and this is one of the very famous ones. And no, I did not get this now. This is more than 4 years old, and you can see I have used quite a bit of this, and I know this is expired, but I did speak to my makeup artist friend, and she told me कि makeup artist भी change नहीं करते अपने eyeshadows, and it is fine because you are applying it on your eyelids, and it is in powder form. So if you are into rose kind of neutrals, and you also want brown, black, like you know, different shades of brown, but also pink, red, a lot of shimmers, like these are foils that are given ऊपर, then you can definitely get this palette. I think it is a really good one. I have used this on a lot of people, and almost सारे शादी events, weddings में मैं यही use करती थी, because obviously once you own one Huda Beauty palette, I don't think you need more. Let me also just swatch some shades for you. A shade is called Demure, this one. Very, very pigmented. This is the glitter one, the brown shade, and the pink one. Very, very pigmented and amazing. You can see the pigment is very nice. It does not fall out. It's not chalky at all. You see the pigment? It's really good. It's beautiful. Definitely something that everyone can purchase. Also, I'm not an eyeliner person because I sometimes think that it does not look good on me. So I go in with an eyeshadow, either like brown or black, like just giving it a little bit of shadow and applying it also on my lower lash line. I'm just trying to show you that while you're applying the eyeshadow, it is not falling out and it is not ruining your makeup, because अच्छे eyeshadow palettes अगर नहीं लोगे ना तो generally वही होता है. And with that also what you can do is कि first do your eyes and then remove all of that and then do your base. Base के बाद अगर आई शेडो करोगे तो कभी कभी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. This is what I have done, very very simple, and I just want to say it is definitely very good for the price. ये हमेशा डिस्काउंट पे जाता है, like 40 to 50% off. Definitely if you're grabbing this, grab it at one of the Nykaa Hot Pink sales or Black Friday sales, things like that. Do not buy at like the full price. Yeah, next is this Huda Beauty One Coat Wow Mascara, a very famous one again, and I'm gonna show you how good is this. This is what it has done to my lashes. Look at the difference. These are my natural lashes, and this is Huda Beauty One Coat. This is how my eyelashes look just with one coat, and I think it looks great. In fact, it gives that false lash wala effect, and just be very very careful. Like when you are applying this, make sure to take out the excess product, because this is what it has happened here. यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा product लग गया था, and I had this tool so I could just, you know, remove the excess product. But overall, very good mascara. I got it at flat 40% off. If you like such dramatic effect in your eyelashes for like events and all, then you can definitely get this. But it's not like a daily mascara for sure, because it's just too much. So yeah, we are on to the last few products, and all are everyone's favorite, I guess, which is lip products. And the first one is the lip liner. This is from the brand Mars, and it is in the shade Scandalous Brown. Very very inexpensive. I'm not really a lip liner person. I like to just smudge it. It's really good. It's in a nude shade जो सबको ही काम आता है. This was hardly for like 60 or 70 bucks, and you should definitely get this if you are looking for a lip liner. I am not a lip liner person, but I wanted to have like one or two in my kit. Now for lipstick, I have Lakme Haya Matte. This was very very recently launched, and जैसे कि मैंने सारे products इंटरनेट पे इन्फ्लुएंस होने के बाद खरीदा है, I got even this after watching a reel. This is in the shade Vacation Nude, so even the name was like, okay, ये तो ले ही सकते हैं. It's a nude shade. It is liquid lipstick, and for the price it is really good. I think it was for around 600 or 650 rupees, and you get a lot of product. Anyway, you don't end up finishing lipsticks. But let me first swatch it for you. So this is the shade. Do you see? So this is how it looks on me, and let me give you a closer look. This is a matte liquid lipstick. Although it does not feel drying on my lips, but it does feel like I've applied something on my lips, like there is a layer. Basically, I am trying to compare this with the L'Oreal Rouge lipsticks, which I absolutely love, like the nude shade, which is my favorite. It's in the shade Explore. So it does not feel like that, but at the same time it does not feel uncomfortable. But there is a con. After like a few hours or so, like 4-5 hours, it will start to crumble, and like ऐसे छोटे 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 दाने आने लगते हैं. I will insert a clip here because I had applied this on one of my vacation, and after a few hours it started to crumble. So I want to just let you know that, and other than that there is nothing to not like about it. I think the shade is also nice. And yeah, the last lip products are the lip oils. These are from ELF. Might have heard me talk a lot about this one on my Instagram, and I absolutely love these lip oils. This is the one I recently got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, and you can see this is the one which I've used a lot, और इतना use करने के बाद भी ये इतना ही खत्म हुआ है. I love this so much that I want to have this product in my every bag. I don't want to get over this. This is in the shade Honey Talks, and this is in the shade Jam Session. It is known to be dupe of the Dior lip glosses. So this is how the Honey Talks look. It's basically a nude lip oil. This is Jam Session, which has like a slight red bit of tint. Honey Talks, so you might have seen me apply so many times on my shorts also, it is there. So I'll apply the Jam Session today. It's actually a lip oil and not a lip gloss, and it feels very hydrating. It is not sticky at all. In fact, I got these at buy one get one, because you can buy ELF products always at buy one get one on Nykaa whenever there is a sale. So a total hit product. If you want like a little bit of pink or reddish tint in your lip oil, then get this. It looks very dark in the bottle, but it is not dark at all. You can see this is the color, and you can see the layer that is there on top of my lipstick. It's not made my lipstick like very red or something. And this one is something that I love applying it on all my nude lipsticks. I absolutely love these products. If you're looking for a lip oil, definitely get one of these. It's so small, easy to carry, plus you get it for like I think 500 rupees or 400 rupees, and it will last you for a very long time. If you're looking for a good concealer which is also high coverage, then go for the L'Oreal Infallible one. And if you are a bride-to-be, you're looking for just one concealer to add in your bridal vanity, definitely get this. You can use this all over your face as well, and it covers very well. Plus also it does not give you that, you know, cakey foundation look. And this is something that you should definitely get. I love this. I know I have been raving about this in all of my videos almost. So yeah, that's it. This time I thought of applying the makeup products while I'm talking about it, instead of, you know, reviewing it and inserting clips, so that you get to see the real-time application. And that is why I've done just like this minimal, not like very minimal, but a medium-ish minimal makeup look. And I hope you like it. Let me know what are your thoughts on these makeup products, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.